So we're here today at Hermitage Quarry in Maidstone in Kent to launch our Skills Hub pilot.
One thing I learned many years ago was all about inspiring and creating expectation and aspiration for something better. And that's what this celebration this afternoon is all about.
So we all recognise there's a huge skills shortage that construction industry faces, and so everyone here in attendance today are really supportive of our Skills Hub proposal to address those skills shortages and ensure that local people can benefit from these upskilling opportunities.
So the importance of this Skills Hub here at Hermitage Quarry is super important for our quarrying business, because we find it more and more difficult to get highly skilled people from the job market. By bringing people in and upskilling them and teaching them new skills in our industry means that we should have a pipeline of people ready-made to carry out the vacancies and the roles that we have.
One of the key benefits of us all working together and collaborating, a key part of the Skills Hub concept, is that collectively we can address needs from a strategic perspective, bringing together our understanding of the skills needed for the Lower Thames Crossing, the wider needs across the region, and seize the opportunity of working with local communities.
Boot camps supported by industry, delivered within industry, that are funded by the Department of Education is absolutely a part of the solution that will bring new people into the construction sector.
What we now need is to go ahead on the investment so that we can put the bits together, put the jigsaw together, and make sure that there's a workforce plan that will unfold over the years ahead and will benefit local people as well as benefit the country. People need to be able to feel that this is about their life, their future, their opportunity to reskill.
It's not just a skill for this project, it's a skill that's easily transferable onto house building, energy, utilities. So, you are really giving someone a skill and earning potential for the future, really.
At the moment now, what we're seeing is that there's a lack of skilled and unskilled workers as well. People who are skilled need to be uplifted in their training, and people who are just coming into the industry, they need to start somewhere. And I think this is where this Lower Thames Crossing can really help.
It's really the start of the journey, because we will have plenty of jobs on the project, obviously, especially on the tunnel section. And it will be excellent to have this Skills Hub in order to make sure that the workforce that is in the area can really be part of the scheme.
And CITB, we've seen the huge impact that skills hubs like the Skills Hub here can have in terms of both meeting the needs of employers and supporting people in local communities to acquire the skills that they need in order to have good employment opportunities.
So prison leavers are one of our priority groups at the Lower Thames Crossing. So it's wonderful to see 6 prisoners from Stamford Hill and East Sutton Park partaking in our boot camp. Now, all of these individuals will have guaranteed job interviews upon completion with local suppliers who are here today.
The programme is ideal for us. It's twofold. It enables us to get prisoners who would struggle to get employment upon release, and it also fills a deficit in the training gap for the building industry.
So what's really beneficial is they've got actual job qualifications that in the job market are really usable. But what's really great to see is hearing all the positive feedback from all the other trainees.
I think these boot camps are absolutely amazing. I can't honestly speak highly enough of them. I've never worked in the industry before. Fresh out the army, platoon sergeant, I've completely re-skilled and gone into a whole new sector. I've upskilled again. And I'm now looking at doing another boot camp in the near future to go onto a dozer ticket, which is better pay, better conditions and going forth.
So today's just the pilot for our skills hubs, and upon its success we'll be expanding our offering with permanent facilities north and south of the river in both Essex and Kent.
We have been working with bidders and with National Highways, Lower Thames Crossing for the last 3 years. Put a huge amount of effort into being able to supply low carbon sustainable products into this project. So many of the changes that we've made in the business over the last 2 years have actually been geared towards being able to get involved with the Lower Thames Crossing. So for us it's critical that that project goes ahead.
You need a project of scale to be able to set up training hubs where you can have resource to deliver training to, hundreds of people, maybe thousands.
It's truly about delivering meaningful benefits for local people, upskilling and training them to progress into higher paid, higher skilled work, but also opening doors to employment.
We want growth, we want productivity, we want to spread it so that those who have lost out in the past are the ones who gain the most in the future, and that is the young people represented here today and those right across Kent and Essex who will benefit in the future. It's got to be a win-win. We've just got to persuade the present government to give the go-ahead finally to Lower Thames Crossing, and we'll be underway.